The candles burn low on the table we shared. Your jacket still draped on the chair. Magnolia and smoke drift through the night air, and I pretend that you're still there. Oh, I know what the morning will bring. Another silence, another cold sting. But tonight my heart is still burning, still turning, still reaching for you. Hold me tonight, like the tide holds the shore in the dark. Hold me tonight, let your hands find the beat of my heart. One more breath, one more dance in the flame. Whisper my name, let it fall like the rain. Oh, hold me tonight. Your photograph watches me pour the last glass of wine, the color of all